Hi, my name is Karen, and I recently had my 2 bathrooms remodeled by 360 House Remodelers, and they did a fantastic job. I started by getting 4 separate bids, and I felt like 360 had the most experience, and they were very professional. One of the reasons that I chose them is I looked on their website and I was able to see some of their previous remodels, and they don't contract a lot of things out, so they keep it within their company, and that made me feel more comfortable. Once they started the work, they were attentive to my needs, very respectable, very clean, and kept great communication, which was very important to me. I love my tub. It's jetted, it has color, and it's very, very relaxing. The only time it's not relaxing is when my 7-year-old granddaughter wants to take a bath with me, but I love that feature. I love the bidet toilet. It's always warm. And my shower is great. It's roomy, and it makes the bathroom look a lot more open and big than it was before. So I am very happy with my remodels, and I would be happy to recommend them to family, friends, and anybody else who needs some home remodeling done.